Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about the made function. How can we use made function in an Excel workbook? So in this particular sheet I have created a table in which I have written some examples over here, and we will use made function to get the middle inputs which we have provided, like in this case 80. So what I'll do is I'll just write equal to mid. So as you can see, I'll just press tab. So here you can see there is text, then start number and the number of characters which we want. So I'll just select the text, then start number is in this case 1 2 3, and then this dash 4 and the 5, fifth is my start number. So I'll just write 5 and press comma and the number of characters. So here in this case 1 2 3, so 3 is the uh, number of characters which I want to drag out of this. So I'll just press enter. If I drag till bottom, so it, as you can see, that I can get the middle output of the examples which I have provided. So by this way you can extract the uh, output. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.